What's up, bro?
Woo! Woo! Strive's the man right here. Go follow him. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to SoCalHangerz Media, also known as SCHMEDIA. Here we have Johnny's mobile, the Prelude, getting it ready. Car meet here in San Marcos. Soon we're at the Strive residence. See the cars over there. Tell him, Johnny, how do you feel? Getting back into car meets? It's been a while.
Yeah.
So
It's gonna be the first car meet in a while. Just doing some last minute details to make sure this thing looks pretty good.
you know. Got the homie Jojo pulling up now. The homie Nate. At the Strive residence, getting ready to dip.
Yes, sir. And I'm
Mr. Strive
leading.
right here.
That's
Leader.
I am.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Woo! Woo! Strive's the man right here. Go follow him.
Yes, sir. On
You
Strive.
guys already know. I'll see it somewhere here.
Hey, right here, right here.
Right here, right there. Get that shit still. All right then. Catch you on the road.
Bye.
We got Nate.
My piece of shit.
We got Nate.
Here, start her up. No, I'm kidding.
Start it up. Start it up. Let's hear it. All clears. There you go. Getting ready to head out. Johnny's Prelude. Part of the SoCalHangerz group. Homie Jojo. Let's get this going. Here we are with the two founding members of Strive. We got an RSX. What year is it? 2006. And a 1994. 1 year older than mine. Tell us about Strive. How to get started.
I got started back in high school.
High school. How old are you now?
I'm 19. I started like when I was 17.
17. 2 years in the making.
Yeah,
Here we are.
First one's for music. That's my name.
Okay.
And then I've always liked cars since probably 7th grade. Like,
Okay.
The first car I fell in love with was an Evo and a 350Z. Those were
Okay.
like the first cars I fell in love with.
Okay.
And then
Ended up being a Honda.
it turns out it ran in my family. So
Nice.
I was like, alright, then I'll use my name and create it into something. And people were actually down. I got a bunch of followers. YouTube channel now, banners, stickers.
Nice. Nice.
That's what I'm doing.
You, Bella. Tell us about your car. When did you get it?
I got it last year in November.
November. So
It's a year old.
nice.
I've seen it on TikTok. Well, that guy was crazy now.
Dorado with stripe, in and out. In and out. Oh.
My side skirt, no!
No.
Well, I fucked it up. Again, time to repaint that one.
Oh, the guy in the
guy.
car. Yeah, he was like, ooh.
Bro, did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Let's go look at it.
Wait. I want to see it first.
I'm not looking.
Oh, fuck. Oh, wait, no, it's fine. It just folded in, but my stock skirts are...
Oh, okay.
Hey, fix.
Woo! It's a scratch.
Hey, it just folded. It didn't like scratch. Oh, God.
We're good. So that was it for the video, everyone. Had a nice day today. Started off meeting up with the homies over at Strive, the Strive residence. Rolled together a car meet, y'all saw with the homies. Ended it off with some good in and out, you know, like everyone here in California does. So make sure to be safe, drive safe, and catch you on the next one. Peace out.